Hi guys, this is Christina from Be in the World Yoga, and I am in Puerto Rico. It's so beautiful and warm here. I don't even know if I packed correctly because I'm so not used to it being warm right now. So I kind of, this is kind of like very light sundress weather, and I did not bring any sundresses. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys how to do your headstand practice so that you can practice it while I'm away in Puerto Rico. Also, let's just talk about headstand practice. I'll also show you our hotel either on this video or probably after the video, depending, because we're about to head over to the beach. So yeah, good times. So headstand practice is actually a great pose because it helps you balance your body and your mind together. You're going right on top of the head. The Sanskrit name for it is Salamba Sirsasana. So Salamba actually means supported, and Sirsasana, I said Sirsasana, it's Sirsasana actually means head. So your head is actually supported by your arms. So what's cool about this is it's actually, once you get into it, I'll tell you first the challenges. The challenge is that it just feels weird to go upside down sometimes. Your legs are up over your head, you don't know where you are in space, and that could be what the scary part is. But once you start to practice it more often, you start to realize that, okay, you're starting to get an idea of where your legs are in space, starting to engage the core a little bit more too. And it starts to feel a little bit easier and fun. I will tell you my biggest tip in it is that if you are practicing it, and don't be afraid to fall. Don't be afraid to fall. Relax in the fall. So I will show you how to do a good fall as opposed to a fall that is not as good. It could be harmful to you. But a good fall would just be like letting yourself, if you're going that way, if your legs are up and your back is faced that way, if you're going that way, then just allow yourself to softly round and fall on the floor. So you'll see how we do that. But don't be afraid to fall, and the more resistance you have to the falling, the harder the crash will be. So just relax into the fall. So another thing is that it's really fun to do headstand because it just makes you feel more confident. It makes you understand that it's not so scary to be upside down, to have the legs up over the head. And then eventually you'll work on other poses from headstand. So other fun little poses that you can breathe, nice long inhalations and exhalations, and add a couple of, I like to call them fun little tricks, because yoga is playing. Yoga is having fun and really getting in touch with who you are and how you handle certain situations too. And if you can find joy and fun and opt for that in real life, not just on the mat. So check out the video.